Alright, so these are some mock-up feet that I put over here. I just made them out of some duplications of some scribbles. Just wanted to see how the feet would look in general. Now I'm going to the feet that I made in the last video, and we're going to bring them over. Group them. And bring them over here. Oops. Okay, gonna have to resize those for sure. Let's turn them around. Oh boy. I hate that when you rope them together and then all of a sudden, usually the render will make it so that you can control both of them at the same time. But because there's so many graphic pieces in this Stegosaurus that make the servers lag, we have to expect that it's going to be hard to deal with. Luckily, this thing is almost done. All it needs is the feet, and it's ready. And it's going to be interesting to see what it clocks in at, see whether it clocks in under 25 megabytes, which is the limit that Tinkercad can handle for re-importing a design in as an STL. Yeah, this is going really slowly. Whatever, they look pretty good for what they are. I move all this out of the way. Okay. Oh, see, it's really hard. Everything's overdoing it. There's no precise control. It's just like everything's lurching and swinging because the servers are fighting hard to get this rendered. See? Something must be going on at Tinkercad besides me. I don't think I'm the only one doing anything. You know, maybe the only one doing it with this much detail, but something's up all over the world. Let's bring that down a little bit below the work plane so we can see how it looks. Man, look at that. Laggy as a mug, man. Oh, still a little bit too big. That looks about right. Let's zoom in on that. Oh man, trying to shrink it and then it pulled it sideways. Okay, that looks good. Now let's get rid of that mock-up foot. We're going to duplicate this one. Duplicate this. Bring it over to the other side. And hit the mirror tool. Okay, let's bring that up a little bit. Fudge it there. Maybe bring this down a little bit. Bring it up a little more. Let's balance it out on the other side. Bring that up. that up. Let's see how that looks. Looks about right. We put it on some uneven terrain, it won't even matter. Okay, I brought the feet over and shrunk them down. Didn't want to bore you with too much of that. Now we're getting the feet done over here. Alright, looks a little bit too wide. So let's make that an even 13. Let's make that 13 even on both sides. Oh, 18. Look at that. Alright. Let's bring the foreleg a little bit further down. Maybe up a little. Alright. So, there it is. Alright, there you have it. Stegosaurus with feet. I'll probably put some elbow nubs and some knees on this guy. And then he'll be ready to be posed in front of some palm trees or some Jurassic period plants. Till then, ciao.